Adaptogens Explained: How these superplants fight stress and improve your health. Mandatory requirement in this fast-paced, ever-dynamic life. A great deadline, heavy bustling in traffic, or daily life itself may just catch one up to the extent that it becomes overwhelming. Is there a natural antidote that would help the body withstand, energize, and enhance good body health? Yes, adaptogens. These are the new superplants fast coming out today with all their buzz for their ability to fight stress. We shall go into defining adaptogens, explaining how they work and how to integrate them into a daily routine for better health. What is more, we shall have a look at the science behind them, so you know how both herb really works magic. 1. What are adaptogens? So, you've been told the term adaptogens thrown around, including in health or wellness. But what really are they? Adaptogens are basically natural substances, usually plants or herbs, which help the body adapt to stress. Actually, they don't get rid of stress altogether, but help your body's stress response to revive so that everything becomes more balanced. They really just make the management of tension, both physical and mental, way easier. 2. The science behind adaptogens. Let us break this down now. The science behind these fantastic herbs. You see, when you are stressed, your body becomes activated into a fight or flight state, which is characterized by the release of stress hormones, including cortisol and adrenaline, preparing you for fighting or running away from danger. However, chronic stress will lead to higher and higher levels of cortisol and thus, in the long run, would prove detrimental to your health. At this point, adaptogens can come in. Studies demonstrate that adaptogens alter the cortisol levels and act as adrenal support so your body may carry out functions under stress more efficiently without long-term effects. Studies conducted by the National Institute of Health, NIH, have shown that ashwagandha, among the most patronized adaptogens, shows hormone cortisol significantly reduced and symptoms of anxiety alleviated. Chandrasekhar et al., 2012. 3. Popular adaptogens and their benefits. Let's go exploring and get one photo of popular adaptogens and the science behind their benefits. The king of adaptogens, ashwagandha. The king of adaptogens, ashwagandha, has been scientifically shown to reduce anxiety, lower cortisol, and even improve sleep quality. According to an Indian Journal of Psychological Medicine, participants taking ashwagandha recorded a 69% decline in anxiety relative to those given placebo. Chandrasekhar et al., 2012. Rhodiola rosea. This plant has a long history of its use to overcome fatigue and enhance mental performance. One research in phytomedicine showed that rhodiola might reduce fatigue and enhance mood levels through self-regulation of serotonin and dopamine levels in the brain. Darbinian et al., 2000. Just for those who feel mentally drained. Holy basil, tulsi. The whole basil is revered for its anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties, herbs that it also possesses for reducing stress and anxiety. It has its due regard in the Journal of Ayurveda and Integrative Medicine. 4. How adaptogens work in the body. But how exactly do adaptogens function in the body? The secret lies in their modulation of the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis, the axis governing the stress response. In times of stress, the functioning of the HPA axis releases cortisol. Adaptogens modulate this reaction, allowing cortisol to rise only in response to stress and to return to normal once the stressor has left. This adaptive response affords your body some balance amid life's challenges. 5. Incorporating adaptogens into your routine. So how do you build adaptogens into your daily routine now? Here are a few easy ways. Adaptogenic smoothies. Add ashwagandha or rhodiola powder to your morning smoothie. This will help you feel extra energy and make your good vibes even better. Herbal tea. Sip calming, stress-relieving holy basil or tulsi tea. Capsules or tablets. If you're always on the go, you can also take adaptogens as capsules. Just make sure to choose products that are of high quality and from reputable brands. Evidence of side effects. Generally deemed quite safe for most individuals, adaptogens may not be for some. Those who are pregnant, lactating, or taking medication for some conditions, like autoimmune disease, should check with a healthcare provider before using any adaptogens. Further, rarely, these agents may cause minor side effects in some, such as mild digestive upset or headache. Always go with a low dose to gauge how your body responds.